It's my name one side of the story, but to me, dear, this is the first time I'm going to say sitting president delivered the State of the Nation address. Now, in less than 24 hours, opposition party Eddie home press statement about Bontana Omu Chirima Omu Yintumu na Omu Emum and ebe deliver the true State of the Nation address. Omu Chirimu say Omu ene what the true State of the Nation address na Ghana for enhwe animo. Aha Penyah Block Media. Message us any demo. Over like video and down over subscribe button. So now click about the person account for latest updates. Now better wadwen e dia mama e wo comment section. Over so no share video na ma umi aso. Enya bi ahwe. Etebeka ya enu achi. On the 27th February 2025, that was Thursday, and His Excellency President for the Fourth Republic of Ghana under the Ninth Parliament, Oko Piebo Ghana Parliament House, Oko declared the State of the Nation address just say, "Oh my Ghana, ye Gina Pains is here." Gina Pen, baby, your mind Gina in terms of what economic and infrastructural growth. Baby, your mind Gina is here. His Excellency Edeko Tuja. Emma is at the tail do na Emma Hono Cross, the Bosch and Sema Hodo Bibrina, SRB Baye, or change the free SHS own term. We make sure that Ghana and a better pharmaceuticals manufacturing hub in West Africa. Just say, on share bo Bibrina Nana nice. There was this Mohammed's State of the Nation address now. Ya to the Sona 2025. Or the ya. Just to Ghanaians in there. Mahama Amayon, how broke we are. What I say? How broke we are. No. NPP voted there be omonye ntum. Omonye Mahama statement in ntum. E don't do the press statement 10 aba bonchena omutremu a. Asema sebe His Excellency Ebaka ene there. Enya no kre. Na omu no omu the true State of the Nation address. Omutremu say omu dey no beba on the 4th of March 2025. And just before the crater 10. Aba bonchena the topic no eye NPP to present the true state of the nation address. NPP for na Ghana ye jina pen ankasa. Omu no mo de beba ma Ghana hu ye jina pen. Na sema sebe his excellence be jina ge kan de. Omu chirim se there bi. Em se Ghana onim ga Mahama onim Ghana ye fapem. Enso we nim. Enti this statement dated 28th February 2025. That was in less than 24 hours after Mahama declared the state of the nation address. And the statement we eba bontene. Yankin Kaibi or say the new patriotic party will deliver the true state of the nation address on Tuesday, 4th March 2025. The NPP or Sonomenyoku NPP no. Omo no mo de Ghana ye jina penyankasa. Ye pesi hu ye jina penyankasa. Ene Ghana for montwan ye. Ye de beba nyame aduma Tuesday dey no ye 4th March 2025. The event follows the State of the Nation address SONA presented by His Excellency John Mahama on February 27, 2025, which selectively omitted critical national issues and misrepresented the realities of Ghana's current state. The entire the true State of the Nation address with Airbano. The State of the Nation address by His Excellency John Mahama ebe redeem according to the room chiremu say ye were critical issue go on more. Nanka they were looking up to Mahama stating it. But Mahama oyi free mu. What I say? Ana even krano one more measures bia obetumi solve Ghana ye current crisis a woman no. One shada ma point bia ho no mo. Ana eba Ghana ejina pensi sie ya ensmoke ka fa Ghana ho no. Enya no kre. Enu nti na ma omoso the true State of the Nation address on the 4th March 2025. Yantuaso, President Mahama's address failed to provide a full and accurate assessment of the nation's trajectory since assuming office on 7th January 2025. What I say, na address of the by idea. Fairly see way pan way nation address according to them there. Because we the funds on any Mahama address any nation address. In just a few weeks under his administration, alarming developments have been surfaced, including deteriorating power supply. Ghanaians are experiencing worsening electricity instability, threatening business and livelihoods. Because since you do betina kunya say na o twi enega kre watina kunya say wanya no Ghana for a started kwa hu ye mu aje say ye nkania sensem kura enyina so ama enwuma sem ne even asetina mu kura no akoye ohaw entina ka they were looking up to Mahama pinpointing or naming some solutions to this problem. Security challenges, that is a noticeable decline in national security, particularly in the northern region, has heightened concerns over public safety. Say, we address going out issue, critical issue, they say public safety. Oko esrim the CIA, utrema a honomono, maintimwasi because they say, Boko side ho, maintimwasi in Tokwan to Kobi Koswa. Anka was Kanina no His Excellency, ultimate capture, every nation address nimu. Na ko ultimate chirimu, measures I will take area solve it, but Omehu. His Excellency na address anymore. Rising illegal mining into bracket galamsey and violence. The resurgence of illegal mining, accompanied by violent incidents in Obuasi, poses severe environmental and security risk. Omo chirem say, Oba akunyasi, galamsey a mo police mo di awon campaign how do we be no. Galamsey afi kwa na ekoso mo. Emenye nim de ekosi Obuasi, abra youth. Eko Angogo Ashanti Gold Mines Company. So move go to Galamsey wo hono. Eti niam we nyina ekoso but excellency wo hwenyame nim ebu oni nyina ebu enyi na so. Wan kan wo hwe, wa mo ho wa ewo address nim engineer address no etosini employment crisis. The government's mass cancellation of public sector recruitment and appointment has exacerbated unemployment, deepening economic uncertainty. Oh yes, oba abenwi mo position na mo campaign say mebru nya adwuma nye enti no aban no tese no onye papa nyame adom agu for influence or employ nipa ne bi but oba ye what start bebrebe di aye say okwara you are creating more unemployment for the youth enti no we nya no say ka utimi e capture what as a nation address ni mu but yan ante wo hwe His Excellency one more ho wa one kan ho word The urgent national challenges were conspicuously absent from the President Mahama's address. The State of the Nation address is a constitutional mandate under Article 67 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana, intended to provide an honest and comprehensive update on the state of affairs. Unfortunately, the address delivered by the president fell short of this obligation. Omjem said, His Excellency, wa wani tua. Ghana yɛmmra baatan yɛde bu ɔman kronkron Ghana ho bra no ne fa 67 hɔ nom no a yɛn nyinaa kenka bi no wonim bɛfɛ sɛ wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ the state of the nation address ɛwɔ sɛ tumi cover ɔman no ne nyinaa tumi present ɔman no nneɛma nkasa happen on grounds but wodom yɛ adwene sɛ wo state of the nation address ɛwo deliver yɛ His Excellency ɛfɔle short what does ɛfɔle short nti the measures a yɛde wureti sɛ statement bi ɛyɛ nation address no wo deɛ wei no enuru ɛni ntina mo ho so ɛpɛ sɛ wo so de ɔmo deɛ ɛbɛyi. In light of this, the New Patriotic Party, through its leadership in Parliament, led by Honorable Alexander Kwamena Afenyomakin, will present the true State of the Nation address to offer Ghanaians a factual and objective account of the nation's condition. The senti ana omuma osramenyoku aye NPP na Afenyomakin aye omuma minority leader in Parliament no. Almost so ebe declare the true State of the Nation address. No. Or making sure say they will hammer on key points. They will hammer on key points and they will present the true state of this country in their statement. We remain committed to ensuring transparency, accountability, and responsible governance. Thank you. Signed, Stephen Ayesu Intim, National Chairman of NPP. What I say? NPP for Chirimu say, His Excellency, na address what by any day. Nyame Ukraine etosini. Ara say etosini NCP intend almost the almost State of the Nation address. Nyame aduma Tuesday no na Afenyomakin and I say obegina mu na waken kai bibia ade ama Ghana for. Ubetima kyerɛ wadwene ɛwɔ comment section. MPP for na de ensem wi aba. What is your view and what is your take on that? Do you concord with them? And as I still there, only when you State of the Nation address there, it should be delivered by the president on Tiasia. Ubetim da akokot. Kyerɛ wadwene ɛwɔ comment section. Aha Penyah Blog Media.